Alright, so yes, I'm Daniel, and I'm presenting lifechangingteachings.com. Alright, so how many times in your life have you felt stuck? Stuck in any way? Like I have, and many times. Stuck maybe because you don't know exactly where you're going in terms of your career, your job. Maybe you're not like completely fulfilled with what you're doing right now. Sometimes you feel like you want to be doing something else, you want to change your job, your career, or maybe you're stuck in an income level, you're making so much, you will be wanting to make way more, but you don't know how to get there, right? So I think most people feel stuck in one point of their lives, and this is where the personal development industry comes from. So as we know, we have hundreds or thousands of books, seminars, coaching programs, and podcasts out there that are very helpful. But with so many options in the market, so many offer, sometimes we can feel confused or frustrated because, okay, who should I follow? These are like claim to be the gurus or the experts in the industry, all of them. And then we have like 100 books with the same topic trying to teach you how to do something. So it can be a little bit overwhelming. So in order to give you a better solution for that, I decided to create a platform which will be the go-to source for personal development. So basically, the mission will be to inspire and help people achieve their dreams through personal development. And how we do that is presenting a curated selection of the best online courses and coaching programs out there that already exist from the world's top experts in personal development, and help people pick the right program according to their specific goals and needs. So the way we are trying to do that is first building the platform, the website, where people can access and see the selection we have curated for them, and then providing an assessment tool. So this is basically like a mini coaching. It's automated through artificial intelligence, and basically what it does is like ask you a series of questions of what are your goals, your specific like needs, how much time and money you are willing to spend, and what would you like what is your specific needs, right? So according to that, we'll give you like a product recommendation, like a few options, like okay, you want to increase your level of income. Well, maybe you will be interested in entrepreneurship. You have a limited amount of time, so this is like a boot camp that you can take from a really good coach specialized in personal finances that can help you with that, or in entrepreneurship, or in business, or whatever. So the market, as we know, personal development is a huge industry. It's valued at $10 million only in US. That's the market we're trying to focus on for the initial stage. And the demand is growing at a steady rate of 5.6% per year. So it's growing, it's not going anywhere. As we know, it's a very huge market. So our target markets, we actually have different ones. The ones we want to target and focus are, number one, frustrated employees, people who, as I said, maybe don't find the fulfillment they would like in their jobs or careers. They want to do more, maybe they want to create their own business, but they don't know how to do it. The second one would be entrepreneurs, ambitious people who want to make a difference in the world. They want to create their own businesses, their companies, they want to grow. They're again stuck. They need help, and this is a resource to do it. And the third one would be the high achiever, people who maybe are already successful in many areas of their life, but maybe they still feel that they need, I don't know, maybe some personal achievement or personal awareness. Maybe, I don't know, it can be in many ways. So our products include programs in personal finances, entrepreneurship, business, investment, personal awareness, goal achieving, and successful mindset, among others. And the market validation, so we developed an MVP. It's like a prototype of a website where we are actually promoting some existing programs from the main or most famous teachers and coaches. We got some feedback, we got some subscribers through social media. And this is actually live and running. And we have some feedbacks through the Instagram and Facebook channels. So the revenue model, the way we make money is right now for the initial phase would be to create well, we do affiliate marketing, which basically we promote existing programs. We partner with these coaches or these top gurus, let's say Tony Robbins, Robert Kiyosaki, etc. And most of these people have like programs where you can partner with them, promote the products, and exchange a commission. So this is a very light way to start the model, because your cost is super low, the main expense is the marketing campaigns, and this will be like the way to start, create some traction, and then grow. For the second stages, we would like to focus and develop our own products. So today I'm looking for a web developer to help me build the website and the assessment tool, and potential partners.